Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the app and iOS are current so notification APIs work properly. Open iPhone settings, then Notifications and select WhatsApp. Turn on Allow Notifications and choose Banners for visibility. Once done, enable sounds and badges so alerts are noticeable. Make sure Background App Refresh is on for WhatsApp to receive updates in the background. Also check Focus or Do Not Disturb, if enabled. Adjust to allow WhatsApp or schedule exceptions so messages can break through when needed. Next, go into WhatsApp settings and tap Notifications so you can control message, group, and call alerts. Choose distinct tones so you recognize priority contacts and enable Show Preview if you want content on the lock screen. Make sure in-app notifications are active so banners display while you're using the phone. You can assign contact-specific tones for VIPs and unmute conversations you previously silenced. Once configured, these choices ensure WhatsApp pushes the right alerts in the way you expect. To finish, restart your iPhone so system notification services refresh, and then test by having someone send messages and call via WhatsApp. If notifications still don't appear, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb aren't blocking WhatsApp, confirm app permissions in settings, and check low power mode, which can limit background activity. If needed, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp after backing up chats. This often resets stuck permissions. Remember, background app refresh and low power mode often interact, so toggle them to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.